Hi, I'm Todd Hallett. I'm from TK Design. A question I get asked all the time is, can you change the look of a house? Builders will come to me and they'll have a plan that they'll work with that we've designed, and they'll want to add another exterior to it and ask me, Todd, can we change this? And we certainly can. I get the same question from homeowners, custom homeowners, who may see a plan that we have, that love the plan, but they don't necessarily like the exterior or it doesn't fit within their needs. So today I'm going to show you how you can change an existing exterior to any different style that you want. We're going to start with this house right here. This house is designed currently to be a modern Tudor house, and I'm going to take a look at it and see if we can turn it into more of a modern farmhouse. What we've done is we've taken a modern Tudor style and converted it to a farmhouse style. We're going to take the same plan, the same house essentially, and convert it to a design that's much more French and more formal. I'll start now. I'm Todd Hallett. Hit like or subscribe if you'd like to continue with me as we explore all things house design. Have a great day.